Hi everybody, it's Mr. Leeks here. In this session we're going to look at some more keywords, some spelling words that will come up in your next text, your next poem. And remember that we're trying to learn two things: the spelling of those words, so listen out for the sounds, but also their meaning, so that when we come to see those words in the text, you'll have a better understanding of what's happening. So let's make a start. So the first word we're going to look at today is grumbled. Grumbled. And if we look at just typing that word into your search engine, here we go. It's complaining about something in a bad-tempered way. So it's bad-tempered. So not a very positive emotion. If you're grumbling, you're very, very unhappy. Okay, the next word is dismal. Dismal. So let's have a look at that. When you describe something as dismal, it's quite dark, those images. Here we are, causing a mood of gloom or depression. So again, something that is very dark, like the weather can be dismal. Okay, the next word is click. Okay, so yes, I think that's a fairly easy one for me to spell. Click. Meaning of the word click. Not many examples here, so let me go to word hippo and see what comes up here. Okay, so lots of meanings of the word click, and I can tell you that in this poem, it's indicating the noise of taking a picture when you click something, a little bit like when you click a mouse. So that's what we're looking at here, but there's lots of different meanings of the word to click. And that word is also an onomatopoeia. It's when the word itself mimics its sound. So maybe you can think of any other onomatopoeias that you know. Okay, the next word is actually a hyphenated word. There's that punctuation mark we saw yesterday, a hyphen. So doubled up. Now I know what doubled means. It means when something kind of doubles, like 2 doubled is 4. And up obviously is a direction. But I've never heard of it in that way, doubled up. So I'm going to have a look. Again, just, oh, it's come up straight away, doubled up. So my dictionary definition shows it's to bend over or curl up because somebody is overcome with pain or laughter. So when you're doubled up. Some images. Well, there you are. I can see somebody there is in bed with, they're doubled up. In this case, it's in pain, but you can also be doubled up in laughter. So there you go. Laughter can also hurt, I suppose, if you're laughing that hard. Okay, daft. Daft, D-A-F-T. So using sound, you would say daft. And if you're using the north of England, that's how you would say it. But in the southeast of England, we say daft. Okay, I'm not sure what that means. That's not really helping me. So here, here we go. Silly or foolish. So when you're acting daft, you could be acting silly or foolishly. And then finally the word react. React. Now I've heard of that word in science, to react. There's not many definitions on the search engine, so let me go to my trusted website, which is Word Hippo. And there's lots of different meanings of the word to react, to act or perform, to return. And I can tell you that in this poem, the word react means to respond to something. So you have a reaction to something. And then finally the word merry. Now I have heard this to describe Christmas, Merry Christmas, merry. It's quite an old-fashioned word. And there we are, to be jolly or to be of high spirits. Oh, so that's quite a positive one to end with. Okay, so please now check that you understand the words again and double check that you've got the spellings correct, cover them and write them out, and then have a go at reading the poem. And hopefully this video will have helped you with the understanding of some of those words. Good luck, everyone.